Good morning, children. Class 1. I hope you all are fine. Now, beta, we have done our chapter 1 and chapter 3. Now, today we will do chapter 5, lesson 5. Now, chapter 3 is of your second terminal and chapter 1 that was of quarterly first term. That was for first term and chapter 3 was for second term. Now, today we will do chapter 5 of our second terminal. Alright. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about keyboard. Children, in the previous chapter, we have learnt that monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse are the main parts of a computer. So, these are the main parts of computer. Now, in these main parts, we will learn about keyboard and mouse. Now first we will do about keyboard. Now children, what is keyboard? Alright, we need a pencil or a pen to write in a notebook. So when we write in our notebook, we need pencil or pen. Likewise, keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and special numbers on the monitor of a computer. So when we type any letter, any number or any special character from the keyboard, so that we can see on the monitor. So if we want to see anything on the monitor, first we have to type from the keyboard. Keyboard is used to type. It is a flat rectangular and a plastic board with many buttons on it. So keyboard is a rectangular plastic board. We can see many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. So when we see many buttons on the keyboard, these buttons are called keys. Alright, so we call these buttons keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. So when we talk about any standard keyboard, so there are 104 keys on it. Nowadays a wireless keyboard is also available. So there are there are many types of keyboard, but wireless keyboards are also available. So we can see a wireless keyboard also. A keyboard has alphabet keys, number keys, special character keys, arrow keys and function keys on it. So on the keyboard we can see these keys: alphabet keys, number keys, special character keys, arrow keys and function keys on it. So these buttons are called keys. Now beta, this keyboard helps us to type on a monitor. So in the computer, if we want to type anything, so we have to use keyboard. So these buttons are called keys. Now there are number keys, alphabet keys, special character keys and function keys. Now later on we will do parts of a keyboard. So today all of you read about the keyboard. Now this is page number 32. Alright, all of you read this chapter very carefully. Alright, this is your homework. Thank you.